Well, hello friends, it's Audrey from Odds and Ends, and welcome to Flip Through Friday. I am going to show you my new magazine subscription. This is Birds and Blooms. I bought it when they were having their $4 sale around Christmas time, and I love birds and I love flowering plants. So I figured, okay, I'm to that age where I am happy getting a bird magazine in the mail. And so few magazines still exist anymore. I decided I was going to enjoy it while it happened. You can't cut up magazines that aren't in print. I just don't understand why they have to all be digital, and I don't like reading magazines digitally. So I'm like, okay, let me support this magazine. It does auto renew. I don't like that fact that because I have to put a reminder on my calendar to cancel it because I won't want to pay the full price. I'm sure it's affordable, but we'll see how much I enjoy it and if it's worth it. Looks like the single edition price is $6.99 for, yeah, $6.99 compared to $4 a year. What do you think I'm going to go for? I only spend $4 a year on a magazine, that comes every other month. That's lots of birdies to, cut out. I mean, this little jewelry piece is for abalone hummingbird charm. It's going to make a great piece one of these days. Got this little birdie in a tree. From the editor, we've got Cruise. Deck the halls, keep birds merry, and your backyard bright with American holly. This is a male pine grosbeak. And trailing house plants. You got the philodendron. Got the string of frogs. 3 is satin pothos. 4 is burrow's tail. 5 is spider plant. 6 string of hearts. 7 string of dolphins. 8 string of pearls. 9 is a regular pothos. And 10 is a strawberry begonia. And tells you how to care for it. Christmas trees, do's and don'ts. This is some kind of J. I'm wondering what J that is. Let's see if it tells us. This is a regal bohemian waxwing, snowy owl, white throat sparrow. Obviously, that's a cardinal. We do not have cardinals in southern Nevada. So, another cardinal. We have northern flicker. Let's see. A tufted titmice, and I think that is just the funniest. I'm like a 12-year-old boy when every time I hear that bird's name. A capped chickadee. The bottom one is, we don't have a lot of these here, so I'm not that familiar with them. And there's a glare on this magazine, so. Oh, male dark-eyed junco. I guess I could just have read the title. And then we have some plants. We have the spruce and the pine and the fir and the juniper. We used to have juniper berries bushes all along the driveway in the house in when I lived in Akron growing up. And boy, did I hate those things. Scratched me. Spiders living in it. Oh, yuck. Those were yucky plants. Mysterious lives and nighthawks. And their eggs. Camellias. Yeah, areas with hot, dry conditions aren't ideal for camellias. No way, I didn't know. I guess I'm not growing them here. And of course we have our hummingbirds. It's a shoebill. I think it's a type of a penguin. I think it is. We do have penguins here. They migrate and they land in the pond near our house. Well, okay, near our house, I'll say within 3 miles. There's caterpillars eating the mullein plant. Black-billed mountain toucans. Let's see. It's a pair of bee eaters. Okay. Western tiger swallowtail. 1 is a Nashville warbler, 2 is a northern cardinal, 3 is a painting bunting, and 4 is barred owls. Eastern tiger swallowtail, long-tailed skipper. Queen's giant swallowtail. We've got a California poppy and a sunflower and a dandelion and asters. Costa's hummingbird, a black-chinned hummingbird, a rufous, and it's a ruby throat. We see these all the time. They come here in migration. And that's a snow button. American goldfinches. And then they ask gardening questions. A red-bellied woodpecker. And then Canadian geese that go migrate. And then some articles on things that you might want to buy. But $4 for a year subscription. You get it every other month. And beautiful, beautiful photos to cut out and first read it and then cut. And I will have so much fun collaging with this magazine. So thanks for watching with me. And I hope I didn't bore you. I'm almost ready for bed, but I wanted to do that before life got in the way. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Thanks for watching. It's Odds and Ends.